Good morning. So what I'm going to show you now is how to find assignments in Canvas. Canvas is in itself a really useful tool because there are many different places to find your assignments depending on how your teacher or teachers organize the course. So you'll notice that I have a pink circle square thing around my Canvas course. This is simply because I am in what's called student view. My Canvas looks a lot different from students' Canvases. So in order to show you, I have to be in student view. You will not get a pink box around yours. However, when I'm in a course, I'm using a course from last year. That way I can show you assignments that was previously published. So your teacher can organize the course by modules, which is what you're seeing represented here. And the modules, what it does is it allows you to have separate boxes of each module. So you'll see we did e-learning, we did a window 2, and it's just a running list of assignments, the schedule, etc. So your teacher could have a daily schedule and then assignments under a daily schedule. And just to click on an assignment, so your teacher can do his or her assignments depending on how they set up their home page. So if they set up their home page with modules, you'll see that right away. They can set up their home page with the assignment page or with a syllabus page. So it just depends on how the course is published. So I like to publish my courses with modules first, but you can also access assignments using the assignment tab. And this will show a list of assignments in no particular order, so you can find an assignment that way, or you can find an assignment by going down to modules, and it gives you the list again, or you can find an assignment by using the next or previous buttons to go through the schedule and different things for the day. Quizzes most likely will be under quizzes. Discussion boards will be here, and all of this can show up in modules too. So that's what I'm saying. Your teacher has the option of how they want to set up the course. You can also use, access denied because I'm in student view. You can also use the calendar over here and outline your courses that way or your assignments that way. And the calendar is pretty cool because it will do color code your class based on what you have your dashboard. So like if I have math purple and English green, then in my calendar math will be purple and English will be green. I hope this helps.